Testing 1 2 1 2 testing. Testing 1 2. Feels like it's been a month. Yes, I got a YouTube strike for an old let me pull it up actually. It's good to be back. Talk about a time to get suspended. Let's see here. Channel violations, active community strikes, crypto sports betting step-by-step policy, harmful or dangerous content. I didn't appeal it. I didn't feel like appealing it. Pretty sure I tried appealing one before and they denied me. Or they actually changed it. I think they always say it's harmful or dangerous content. And I remember I appealed it and they're like, well, it's not harmful, but it's this one. You still have a strike. Oh, come on. Today at 1:27. Oh, hang on. Here we go. Tonight, actually, this morning, at 1:27 a.m. we were taking a look at the Sig Sauer. I said, remember when we posted about this pattern, this something we've seen before? I can smell the pump. 58 minutes later. Shebangs. Last Saturday, on the very same Sig Sauer, I was taking a look at this, and these were very dark times right here last Saturday. End of times. People talking of 7Ks. But I remembered these, we saw these, and then I look, and it wasn't quite there yet, but it was the potential for the money flow for it to look similar was there. Fast forward a week. And what do we see? But the very same thing. To what end? To what end? Something else that is very juicy that I just noticed tonight. Something very, very bullish. Something that says this is more of a, this is a buy the dip type of time. It is time to buy the dip. Say something stupid like that one more time, bro. I'll just fucking boot you from the chat. I hate it when people fucking say things to not only me, but other fun, entertaining people. What are you on? Are you high? Please, if you didn't mean any harm by it, forgive me. But that shit pisses me off. I want to get that off my chest. But that's your warning. Now, apology accepted. I'm drinking a Truly, actually, because I ran out of whiskey. I was going to make some coffee. I was going to brew a pot of coffee. I was like, I'm going to make a little glass of whiskey since we're free. But I'm out of whiskey, so I have to drink this Truly instead. Anyways, there is something, and you do not have to look any further back than what you see here. There is something, there is a pattern that you can find, a puzzle. That's why I love Market Cipher. There is a pattern you can see here in this picture of something that happens in a bullish trend. I have an idea. Actually, never mind. That's not going to work because I gave the answer in my Discord. Did I? I was going to say this would make a great giveaway question. Yes, I did. Damn it. Alright, never mind. Anywho, I'll just have to give the answer without giving away a trivia giveaway. We're on the daily. Taking a look at our what was once the most popular indication of Market Cipher, the big green dot on the bottom. Not this little one, but the big one right here. Not one of these little ones, big one right here. Now on the daily time frame, with these green dots, if one of these appears and our flow of money is in the green, do you know what that means? It means that it's going to go up. And then it's a bottom. That's it. Now, does this mean, remember, Now, what time frame are we on here? Each one of these candles, let's make sure everyone understands that each one of these candles is a day. Each one of these candles is a day. So I don't want to hear shit if the price goes down a few hundred or whatever it is. At the end of the day, I know which way the price is going to go in the grander scheme. And that, in the essence, is why I am living the dream. That's why I have so many lovely friends and followers and subscribers like you guys. Just because I know if it's gonna go up or down more than the other average asshole. Price I'm hoping for, I don't have one. Our 2 hour. Let's have a little bit of we're in the thick of it, folks. The 2 hour. It's looking pretty nice. Could make kind of like a nice little gap, nice curvature. Money flow coming to the upside, just breaching. Now, yes, we are in a downtrend. There are so many things right here. What did we say about these yellow X's on the 4th or 5th? What happens? It tires out. Boom. Then we look for money flow coming to the upside. Bang. This is textbook market cipher, guys. This is a textbook long the bottom, a bottom. I am really bullish on Bitcoin, really fucking bullish. And I wanted to make a video, but I felt like I couldn't make the video tonight. I just ended up streaming instead. But I'm bullish. I think we bottomed out. For now. At least to 9,800. Let me repeat that. At least to like the 98, this area. After that I don't know. So but overall she's looking pretty good. On some of the higher time frames, it's still questionable. We get mixed signals. 2-day might look great. The 5-day looks terrible. Terrible. But you look at the 3-day, it's absolutely different. Look at the weekly, it's neutral. Semi-bearish. But the truth is the lower time frames tell us what's going to happen in the future before. And Bitcoin goes up and down. One time frame, it's you guys know the fucking deal. Where is 9,800 on the weekly here? Let's take a look. Isn't that funny? Ooh, would you look at that? Yeah. Oftentimes when we're coming from one side to the other on the flow of money, right? So let's say we're coming to the green to the red. Sometimes the green will come down and it'll fight neutral for a little bit and then continue to the downside. So I kind of think that's what we're going through right now, coming to the upside, coming up, you know, fight a little neutral. It's a lot of shit. This is a lot of sell pressure and shit to get through. It's not going to happen overnight in one big swoosh all the time. I do not care what other people say or what they think. Um, if other people were right so often, what would you need me for? Yo. I forgot I was in his Discord. Let me set up our own. Are we in our own call?
No.
Yo.
Yo.
Oh, perfect timing. I'm streaming right now. We're streaming.
Nice, man. How are you?
Good. We're just celebrating the. Can you guys hear him okay? Celebrating the.
Finally, we broke 9K. I'm just getting back, man. I was out.
Yeah, that. We're bullish as fuck. And we're out of YouTube jail. And, so we're just, having a good time.
Nice, dude. Yeah, it was looking like a inverted head and shoulders, dude. It was looking bullish, and we crept over BWAP. It was looking strong, man.
Man, the 5Xs, the 4 or 5 yellow Xs, they're exhausted. The sell pressure's exhausted. Money flow's coming back in. This is just bang. Oh, this is so. Oh. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
There's always something going on in the crypto markets, man. Step away for a few days, take a look, and you're like, God damn, I missed so much.
There was a couple. I had to get out in a couple entries. I had a couple. I was lost a little bit. I had to step back to. I'm like, you know what? Fuck. I'm suspended for a week. I'm gonna take the week off. No YouTube. Screw trading. I'm gonna do my thing. And let the whole coronavirus thing kind of settle out with the stock market. By the way, got a nail in the stock market too. Gold. What about this? What have we been saying about gold? What have we been saying about that gold? That's right. You gotta sleep to eat.
Yeah, there was the coronavirus is definitely serious, dude. It has like a 3.5% mortality rate, which is like 10 times higher than the flu. But I think the Democrats were like really trying to like hurt the economy with the coronavirus news just to hurt Trump, dude.
Definitely.
But, I may be wrong, but I mean, it's just crazy that they're like, yo, if we can just hit these markets before this election, Trump has a worse shot at the presidency, So the poor markets, man, I feel bad, but there's gonna be people saying some shit, and we'll see how this news goes up following this election, man.
It's going to be quite. Is it 3.5% just for elderly people, or is it for all people infected? I really want to know if that's true. What that stat is. If it's real, you're telling me 3 or 4 people out of 100 die, or is it?
Well, whatever it is, it's 10 times more dangerous than the flu.
Yeah.
But it's not.
It's just the elderly. It's 3.5% of just the elderly. Dude, you see how they twist? Bro, I thought it was 2-3% too, the way the news says it. Wait. I don't know, fuck it, whatever.
Either way, there was a bit of a freak out, and then when we realized it wasn't the end of the world, it's just a serious disease, it's not the end of the whole fucking world,
I know.
Then, things come bouncing back.
People buying all this toilet paper, why? Because you're gonna shit yourself? Are you guys shitting your pants so much that there's no toilet paper? The hell's the toilet paper gonna do for you? You guys are shitting your pants?
Maybe it's the Chinese and the maybe they're trying to kill the elderly voters, dude. So Bernie Sanders wins. That's my conspiracy theory of the week.
I definitely believe that, because 200 people out of over one night popped up with the virus all over the world. China implanted to take off heat from them. They made the phone calls and they pushed the button, and they released some shit all around the world. So the next day, we wouldn't all be hating on China in the news. Man. They're stupid. They really have some people shook.
That's not the dumbest shit I saw. The dumbest shit I personally saw with the coronavirus was the beer. The Corona beer stocks going down a fuck ton just because the name.
Wow, really?
Yeah, dude.
Let's look at it.
I just heard on the
What's the
charts or nothing.
What's the Corona beer? Who owns Corona? What is it? Anheuser-Busch or something? Who owns Corona beer? Who owns Corona beer?
Yeah,
Anheuser-Busch. Yep.
ticker.
Wow.
I want to see this from the stream updates here.
Wow.
See that shit, man? Look at that.
Wow.
A disease comes out with your name on it. That's what happens.
Wow. Look at it, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's a mongo.
26% in 2 weeks. And look, Market
looking
Cipher
bad.
knew it before it happened.
Yeah.
Somehow Market Cipher
It
just
was
predicts the
bleeding
damn
already.
futures.
It was bleeding for months.
If
It
you
was already
followed,
looking bad.
man, you could have shorted Anheuser-Busch and just known the coronavirus was there before it happened and been up 33%. Damn, that shit's crazy.
All because the name, man. But that's branding for you, so maybe we need to be on the lookout for stuff like that.
Look how the yellow X's popped up. Look, danger, danger. Some shit's gonna hit the fan. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, there's nothing like Market Cipher.
Yeah, the yellow X's, dude. The coronavirus triple X.
If you have Market Cipher and you've only used it for crypto, you don't know what you're missing. It'll make you want to leave crypto. Wow.
Nice one. Yeah. All these people in China are wearing. I mean, they were already wearing the black mask, but
Yeah.
everyone looks like CryptoFace because of this coronavirus shit.
Yeah. Now I'm not gonna wear a mask because everyone else is doing it.
Yeah, there have been long sprinkle opportunities on Bitcoin the last day and a half. We were over VWAP and it's been good. ETH's looking good, yeah. BTC looking good. That's an inverted Head and Shoulders right there.
Damn, I was
oh, yeah,
on mute.
check the
Fuck.
logs. Check the logs, man.
Yeah, let's take a look. I haven't looked at him lately, but I know you literally just told me like an hour ago that it's been popping off. All right, here we go. Look, and I'm not lying. Look, I have not clicked it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Look at this. Look at the avatar. What the hell is that?
Turn myself up. Is that better?
I turned you up too. You're good. Wow, 376%. Way to go. All thanks to MC. Way to go, bro. It's you, bro. You're the one pulling and closing the triggers, bro. Way to go. 600 bucks. Good for you.
There was one guy in particular. I can't remember what it was. Let me see if I can. Oh, there was a video. This guy posted a video of 38 pages.
All right, this is fucking amazing, right? So these green, this green shit right here, these are all my wins, right? So this is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9, page 10, page 11, page 12, page 13, page
Holy
14,
shit.
page 15, page 16, page 17, page 18, page 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I can't make this up, guys. 38th. On the 38th page, I finally have a fucking loss. All right? I think I'm doing pretty good now.
He's the page master.
Damn, black sheep. Holy shit. Man. Someone, we need to give him a star. Do we have him promoted? Promote. Dude. Give that man a fucking... Way to go, Benny. 3,400. Way to go, all you guys. Sorry I don't mention all of your names and everything. Testimonials. Do we have a new testimonial? Remember, guys, this isn't profit logs. This is for testimonials. I hate having to delete profit logs out of here, but I have to. This is for testimonials. I'm sorry. This is where you write stuff here. Shout out South Africa.
This guy Waterhole said something real nice.
Shout out to Flop and Groper. I've been part of the whale crew for almost a year, and I have to say, Flop and Groper brought a whole new value to the community. Great TA, no bias, and lots of good tips for all new traders. It's important to build your own tools to survive in this unforgiving market, and he is teaching us how to be smart and think with our own brain. Thank you, Flop and Groper. True.
Yeah, we teach men to fish here.
Good shit. Appreciate it, guys. I appreciate your guys' support. We appreciate when you guys, you know, we're humans too. We like getting pats on the back, man. We like our recognition. On Shul, go to CryptoFaceCrypto.com for more. There's many indicate. It's back. It's on Shul. Many. Yeah, hell, I'm thinking 96, 98, you know, at least, somewhere up here, at least, even if we continue, you know what I mean, like I'm not saying we're going all the way up here, but I'm going to take my pittance, I'm going to take what the market gives me confidently, whether it's a 5, 10, 15, 20% move. This is a sick move. Sick move.
High or low. That's what this is.
This is a trade that you cannot refuse.
Is that Bitcoin or is that Ethereum, man? Because I think Ethereum's kind of been leading Bitcoin.
This is Bitcoin.
Gold's killing it, Astro Man.
I know, man.
Gold's been doing really great.
Gold. I'm so happy. ETH is a little more flat. I feel it's there, but I actually think Bitcoin, in this case, for the first time in quite.
Wave.
Money flow hasn't on the 4 hour. Let's see the 3 hour if it's coming up. There we go. Now it's coming up a little bit more. Like I said, there's some potential here. There's some potential. There's some potential.
Yeah,
I'm liking.
Man, we're creeping over the EMA. There's something. There's something in the woodworks. Yeah, man, I'm glad we're back at 9K. Like, I think there is going to be some contention at this 10K, at that 10K psychological level. But the longer we can dig our claws into that range, I think the better Bitcoin will be.
Yeah, I agree. You know, it's okay to like, fuck, we don't have to just be, we can be patient, people. Chill, man. Chill, you know?
It's been 2 years of bears, dude. I mean, we didn't go past 20K back in July.
Yeah.
You know? So that was a lower high. So crypto's been dribbled like a basketball for 2 years straight. You know what I mean? But what's the lifetime of Bitcoin? The lifetime of Bitcoin says that we're due for a parabola soon. We've certainly waited long enough for it, bro. But yeah, man, we're at this like macro support down here, so we'll see if we can slow it. It's going to be a slow liftoff. It's like the spruce goose getting off the ground. It's like a big balsa wood boat. Takes a while to get off the ground, but once it's up there, it's floating.
I'm just looking at how sell pressure is like overall dissipating. We see round bottoms. Nice round bottoms. I'll have to make a video going over all this too, but I wanted to stream for the people. For the people, my people. My people. Our people. We people.
Like
but yeah,
right
this
there,
daily,
man, looks like an inverted Head and Shoulders.
I told him about how the big green dots on the daily, in the past, if we see a big green dot and it is in the green, we are in a bull run cycle, upward movement, whatever you want to call it, overall. Now these ones, this was bear shit, right? There's some price may have gone up sometimes, right? But when you go for example, just find one when it's in the green, right? Okay, here's a green dot. Note that's in the red. That's not what I'm talking about. Still worked. Daily still badass, but I'm talking about absolute confirmation, 100% murder in the game. Green dot on the daily when the money flow is just in the green. Sayonara. Sayonara.
It's the combination. You're right. It's the money coming into the market. Check. Are we oversold? You know, basically, when the money's coming in and we're in a bull market, that's when you look for the oversold waves, like the green dot waves, when you're in a bear market, you want to be looking for overbought waves. So, I mean, we don't have a red dot equivalent indicator, but you want to be looking for tall waves, you know, up top, above the 60 threshold to short from when it's red.
And you know, we just got out of this dip. There's gonna be turbulence. Like it's just, again, when you fall out of the raft, when you're whitewater rafting, you fall overboard. The person grabs you. They don't just pull you up. They dunk you first, right? So you fell in the water. We fell off. Here's our raft. This is us. We fell overboard. Okay, now we're back up for air, and this guy's got to grab you by the shoulders and say, I'm going to dunk you one more time. He pushes you down a little bit, and then boom, baby. Boom. Boom. April Fools. What happened? Wasn't last April Fools? Last April Fools? We ended up going up a bunch, didn't we? Or did we dump?
We had a little kaputs.
I could have swore. Is it April 1st is April Fools? Let me go to normal candles. Yes. Look.
Bump.
April Fool's Day. Schmool's Day. Would you look at that? Okay, waves coming up. Now what's going on here? Oh, it's setting it up just again. It's setting it up again.
We're coming out of the crypto winter. And that's a thing, dude. Crypto winter is a thing.
Yup. So, I really wanted to put this video out. It's a shame that we went over 9K, because now tomorrow everyone's going, oh, we're bullish again, and I wanted to be the first, you know, because I was there. But we have our Discord to prove it. As of even late as last week, last Saturday, we pointed it out. Boom. At 6:05 p.m. last Saturday, 'twas the reckoning.
Yeah, shout out to the boys in the Discord. We got a real nice community, man.
You know, when these big YouTubers,
Very rare I have to step in and do any. I really barely have to throw my weight around in there. Everyone's super positive and helpful.
when these big YouTubers come out and say, this random small asshole no one's heard of called it, this other guy called it, they never choose me. What about me?
The market doesn't care about you. Or me or anyone's rent or your divorce or whatever the fuck's going on in your life. But it does give little hints.
Thanks, Anshul. Yeah, this is beautiful. We got a nice little couple little green dots right here. Money flow coming up. Tired guys. I don't know how many more indications we need to know that this is the time. Exhausted yellow X's. Again, I repeat, if you're new to Market Cypher, right, the first 2-3 yellow X's, it's warning, shit's hitting the fan. But when it goes down, when it dumps off yellow X's, the fourth, fifth one, you're looking, when it starts getting exhausted, it's exhausted, and then you see the flow of money pulling back up, your momentum waves pulling back up, VWAP pulling back up, our green dots on the A side.
You guys see the divergence there. You can see the blue waves getting less negative and the price still going down. So it gets overextended. That's how you know it's going to bounce back.
And it comes to this boiling point, and it bursts. It's going to burst. Whoops. Burst. I have multiple accounts, Sam. I recommend, there's really 3 main ones I use. One with no leverage, one with low leverage, one where I play with the leverage. Do not force yourself to make that decision. Using one account will only, you have enough to worry about. And one less thing to worry about can make all the difference. No, I don't use Binance. I use Bybit. Now on this account, so this is one of 3 accounts. Well, I mean, I have like 5 accounts, but I really only use 3 for the most part. This is one. Alright, I think I'm going to call the stream. I don't want this to go on too long. You have any last words?
No, other than I'm keeping my eyes out for bullish crypto news, because I think the technicals are looking like it can really move up. So like people might be looking for bullish news, and they're going to say that the news is what's causing it to pump, but we have the halvening coming up, and the technicals are just looking like it needs to move up. So yeah, man, that's all I gotta say is I'm feeling up. But if you guys know us in the community, we take shit day by day.
Yep.
Like what's the price doing in relation to the VWAP right now? You know, that's really all we have to go off of. So
Everything
yeah, man,
can.
We'll be in there, killing it, gutting it like a fish. You know.
Crypto Half-Life, the bottom right of the squares is where you click to adjust your squares. Yes, everything can change. We only go by what we can see. So yeah, I don't care about anyone else. But tomorrow, aka today, you are all going to see all these assholes talking about big targets again. So you know where you got it first. You know how to separate between the best, the rest, the worst from your boy. No one else is playing with. They have 5 or 10 grand. Let me know when you're playing with hundreds of thousands, millions we've traded on this channel. No, think about who you're getting your information from. Who has time for bullshit? And who is worrying more about show? I didn't get to where I am by being about bullshit. Look at ETH, baby. ETH. I went heavy on ETH. That's one thing I'll say too. This is just a piece of the pie you're seeing here, but I am heavy long on ETH.
Give me a piece of that.
I come in peace.
That's Vitalik talking to girls.
That's what Vitalik sounds like if you're trying to wonder why we make those noises. Go look at the video of when he laughs. He goes, are we really going to leave the stream when we're pumping right now, or are we just going to let it ride? Let it ride? Alright, we'll let it ride. Every time I'm trying to leave is when it shit happens, I swear. ETH, baby. That's what I like to thief, baby. ETH, baby.
I bequeath you.
I can't believe it.
We are beneath this.
That's right, there's a big UFC event. Is it Yol? I think Yol is fighting this weekend. Yeah, it is a good big UFC fight weekend.
Damn, man, I'm looking at your position there. You entered on a nice ascending triangle continuation pattern. That was
Yeah,
cool.
thanks.
Really, it's crystal clear. You look at that, guys.
Yeah, got in. Literally, we got it in an hour before it pumped. Yol is looking old, yeah.
$7,800 long.
Way to go, bro.
Nice, way to go, dude.
Way to hold, but you've been holding on to that. Way to go, bro. What do you mean he's been talking this whole time, Tim? Alright, let's cut the stream. Guys, I'll be back. You know it's about, you guys heard it. We're going up. So, and all the ponies are gonna come from YouTube today. And you know who said it first. Peace.